this is Summer. Today we are in the Land Rover showroom and going to introduce our new projects. So as we know, the car of the Range Rover new design 2023 design is coming, and the one on my right hand is the older design Range Rover 2022, and this one on my left hand is for Range Rover new design 2023. And now we are going to compare what's the difference of these two modes, and I'm going to tell you what a new projects I'm going to work on new Range Rover this year. So let's check the new design Range Rover 2023. We can find the front bumper facelift is more powerful and bigger than the old design, and we can find the front bumper grille, the up grille and the down grille is totally different. We can find that there comes a daytime running light here, and the suspension of the date is more higher than the older design Range Rover. So this is different of the front face. As we know, there comes more videos from the YouTube to check the details of the Range Rover. So today I will just tell some different from I look. So follow my video and check the side of the car and what's the difference of the side. So we can find the new Range Rover. Here comes the door handle door cover, and when we close the door it will be hidden. And for the old one there comes the normally handlebar, so that's different. And we can find the side fender cover, side grille, that's totally different. Before there comes the 4-piece, and now it's only keep 2-piece. That makes the car looks more simple but more luxurious. And on the other hand, we can find the wheel rims. The wheel rims, the car is used 22-inch, and this is the old ones is 21-inch. So we are going to make a wheel rims projects for this Range Rover. We are going to make 23-inch and 24 inches. We will show the pictures in our new videos in these 2 weeks, and follow my video and to see the details of the new Range Rover. We can find the side parts of the window and the door is separately, and makes the car looks more big and powerful. And this is the parts which are going to install the electronic side step, which make us a better driving experience than the older ones. The older ones we can find is also the electronic side steps, but the design is totally different. So you can check on the Land Rover website to check the difference of the shape of the side step. So follow the videos and to check the rear parts. So now we are going to check the rear parts. The rear parts we can find totally different of the Range Rover tail lamp. The tail lamp is changed, and we can find it's almost hidden and the dynamic ones. After we start the engine, we can find the dynamic brake lights and the stop light here. It's very nice, and we can find the rear trunk design. The location of the rear trunk is keep the classical design, and we can find the space of the rear trunk is very full storage. So most customers, they when go traveling or when go outside of the city, that the car will match their request. And when we close the door, just press the buttons, it will be closed and back to the original look. And now we are going to check the rear seats. Rear seats, we can find the chrome parts of the door panel is totally different from the old car design, and we can find that there also comes the electronic buttons for the rear seats. We can adjust the angle of the seats. And on the other hand, we can find the door seal design that's Also made by the chrome color. The color makes the car looks more luxurious. Then we can find the stand and the rear seats DVD screen. It's 11.3 inch. This is totally nice, and the ball sitting on the back side, and when we go outside it makes us relax and happiness. So check the massage rear seats, how it's working after I adjust the buttons. The big difference of the car from the older to new we can find is the system of the Range Rover. We can find it uses a new system of the car which is similar as the new Defender, and we can find if you want to make the car engine part and or CarPlay design, you can use this system to match your request, and we can find the air conditioning buttons here, and also we can find the chrome parts because the car looks more luxury, and this wooden plate is made by the original Land Rover, and looks more simple but very nice. And this is the storage box but without the refrigerators, and this is handlebars, which is a good experience for driving. And what's more, it's a new Range Rover steering wheels. We can find it is totally different with the old ones. They come the chrome parts here, and it's gloss black buttons, and you can come with the heating seats and the air conditioning here for the car seats. And what's more, for the door handle we can find it's remove the pull station to here, which is same as the new Defender. If you're the car owner of Defender or you have the experience for Defender projects, you will find that's a big change of the new Range Rover. So for this car, what are we going to do in the future? So the first of all is the interior design. As we know, we make the chrome parts, which is luxury look for the older Range Rover. Also, we will make these elements chrome parts interior design for our Defender cars. You can find the information from our website or from our sales department. We have the interior part, which is a purple chrome part for the new Defender. And on the other hand, I'm going to tell you guys what we're going to make the bumper facelift body kits for these cars. What we can do for the new Range Rover projects? Most customers ask me, this is totally too new to have, so what we can do and what we need to do from this car model design. So we have the idea to make a upgrade body kits for old cars. How about to make this new 2023 body kits look for 2013 years mode? So we can find after 2013 to 2017, we have the body kits, which is SVA, which is SVO, which is from the older one to upgrade the 2018 years mode original look. But now there comes the 2023 car Range Rover. How about to make this car look to upgrade the older cars? So this is our new idea and project what we're going to do in the next 6 months. By this end, I think most of the parts will come in, and keep tune of some of the parts and subscribe our YouTube channel. We will keep update and show you the details projects. So thank you very much for your interest, and just contact us for more cooperation ideas of this new project. So thank you very much for your watching, and see you next week. Bye bye.